Welcome to Dennis Sever's house, a unique historic home located in the heart of Spitalfields, London. In this video, we will take a closer look at the history and significance of this remarkable house and discover what makes it such a fascinating must-see attraction for visitors to London. Dennis Sever's house is a Georgian townhouse that has been meticulously restored to look as though it has been frozen in time, as if the inhabitants have just stepped out of the room. Visitors to the house are invited to step back in time to the 18th century and experience the sights, sounds, and smells of everyday life during that era. As you enter the house, you will be transported back to the 18th century with the help of atmospheric lighting, evocative scents, and the sound of footsteps in the distance. Each room is carefully designed to represent a different period in the house's history, and visitors are encouraged to use their imagination and immerse themselves in the experience. From the moment you walk in, you are surrounded by a sense of history and mystery. The house is designed to look as though the residents have just stepped out of the room and will be returning at any moment. You will hear the sound of footsteps on the creaky floorboards and feel as though you are stepping back in time to a different era. The house was originally built in the early 18th century, and was home to a number of different families over the years. However, it was not until the 1970s, when it was purchased by the artist and designer Dennis Severs, that it began to take on its current form. Severs spent years carefully restoring the house to its former glory, and filled it with authentic antiques, artwork, and objects from the period. Dennis Severs was an American artist who moved to London in the 1960s. He was immediately drawn to the city's history and culture and began collecting antique furniture, artwork, and objects from the period. He was particularly fascinated by the Georgian era and spent years researching the period to ensure that his restoration of the house was as accurate as possible. Severs saw the house as a work of art, and his goal was to create an immersive experience that would transport visitors back in time. He spent years perfecting the atmosphere of the house, using a combination of lighting, sound, and smells to create an authentic 18th century environment. Today, Dennis Sever's house is a unique and fascinating attraction that offers visitors a rare glimpse into life in Georgian London. It has become an important part of London's cultural heritage and has inspired countless artists, writers, and designers over the years. Many visitors to the house are struck by the sense of history and authenticity that it conveys. The attention to detail in every room is incredible, and the atmosphere is truly unique. It is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, art, or design. So, if you're looking for something different to do in London, why not visit Dennis Sever's house? With its unique atmosphere, rich history, and fascinating collection of artifacts, it is sure to be a memorable experience. You'll leave feeling like you've stepped back in time to a different era and have a greater appreciation for the city's history and culture. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your visit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more fascinating insights into the hidden gems of London.